Heidi with Nest Pretty. I am a closet coach. I help women to get dressed with ease and take the frustration, angst, and drama out of the most important decision of your day. I want to talk about the 30-day wardrobe challenge that is starting November 1st. The way it's going to work is there will be an email every day and then a video with teaching. Also, once a week, there will be a live coaching call. It will be as a group. And that's where you can bring all your questions and anything that is keeping you from your wardrobe goals. You can ask questions and get coached. So the outline, this is what I teach. Your thoughts create your life. And so what thoughts do you have in your closet? We're going to go through that and do a deep dive. And then what is your lifestyle? That's going to be the second week. Really breaking down how you use your time and answering the question, do you have the clothes you need to show up for your life, the life that you have right now? It's very eye-opening when you do this work. It's brilliant. And then the third week, we go into curation. How do you curate a wardrobe you love? And why is it so important to do it? Seriously, this decision that you make takes the drama out of getting dressed. For instance, this morning I had a massive headache, and just the thought of getting dressed was a bit much. But because I have done the work in my closet, it was very easy. Grab, done. So when you do the work in advance, you make the decisions in advance, it makes getting dressed very easy, regardless of how you feel, regardless of your mood, regardless of all the things. Before the curation, we decide on your style. Like, let's make that decision finally. So that is a little bit of work. And then the last week is curation. Like, how do you gather the things that you need so that you always have what you need? So that's what's involved in the challenge. It's going to be so much fun. So I hope you decide to join me. There's a link in my bio. If you do, invite your best friend, because life is so much better with your best friend. I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.